Binance Asterisk is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency trading platforms, offering services related to buying, selling, storing, and managing digital assets. Since its launch in **** 2017 ***, Binance has become widely recognized in the cryptocurrency industry by providing access to numerous digital assets and blockchain-related services. However, the availability of Binance products and services varies depending on local laws and regulations in different countries. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange, which means it provides a marketplace where eligible users can trade cryptocurrencies with other market participants. Depending on regional availability and regulatory requirements, users may also access additional services such as digital asset storage, educational resources, payment solutions, and blockchain-related products. To begin using Binance, individuals generally create an account, secure it with a strong password, and complete any required identity verification procedures where applicable. Many jurisdictions require exchanges to verify customer identities through *Know Your Customer, KYC, * processes to comply with financial regulations and help prevent fraud and financial crime. After account verification, users may deposit supported funds or cryptocurrencies according to the payment methods available in their country. Once funds become available, users can access the trading interface to buy or sell supported digital assets. Market availability, payment options, and supported cryptocurrencies differ across regions. Binance supports different types of trading orders. A * market order * is generally executed at the best available market price at the time the order is placed. A * limit order * allows users to specify the price at which they are willing to buy or sell an asset. Understanding these order types helps traders make informed decisions according to their individual strategies. One important concept is the * cryptocurrency wallet. Binance provides wallets that allow users to manage supported digital assets within their accounts. Users should also understand the importance of private wallet security and evaluate storage options based on their own security preferences and risk tolerance. Security is a major priority for cryptocurrency platforms. Binance provides features such as * multi-factor authentication, MFA, ***, withdrawal verification, login monitoring, device management, and anti-phishing tools to help users protect their accounts. Users should enable available security features and regularly review their account activity. The cryptocurrency market is known for * high price volatility. Digital asset prices may rise or fall significantly within short periods due to market demand, economic events, technological developments, investor sentiment, and regulatory announcements. Because of this volatility, users should understand the risks before participating in cryptocurrency markets. Binance also provides educational resources that help users learn about blockchain technology, cryptocurrency markets, and digital finance. Understanding how blockchain works, how transactions are processed, and how digital assets differ from traditional financial products can help users make more informed decisions. Before using any cryptocurrency exchange, individuals should review transaction fees, withdrawal fees, supported payment methods, available cryptocurrencies, customer support, and the platform's terms of service. Since cryptocurrency regulations vary worldwide, users should also understand the legal requirements that apply in their own country. Binance continues to play an important role in the global cryptocurrency ecosystem by supporting blockchain innovation and digital asset trading. As financial technology evolves, understanding cryptocurrency platforms becomes increasingly valuable for anyone interested in modern digital finance. In Part 2 we will discuss Binance security, trading risks, cryptocurrency wallets, blockchain safety, common mistakes, responsible investing, and best practices for protecting digital assets. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. Cryptocurrency markets involve substantial risk, and Binance services, regulations, and available features vary by country. Always conduct independent research.
Using a cryptocurrency exchange involves more than simply buying and selling digital assets. Understanding asterisk security, risk management, account protection, and responsible investing asterisk is essential for anyone participating in the cryptocurrency market. Whether you are new to digital assets or already familiar with blockchain technology, protecting your account and making informed decisions should always be a priority. One of the first security steps is enabling asterisk multi-factor authentication, MFA, asterisk asterisk. This feature adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification method when logging in or authorizing certain account activities. Even if a password is compromised, MFA can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized account access. Users should always create a strong, unique password and avoid reusing passwords across multiple financial platforms. Account credentials, verification codes, recovery phrases, and security keys should never be shared with anyone. Binance and other legitimate financial platforms generally do not ask customers to reveal sensitive security information through unsolicited emails, phone calls, or text messages. Many users store digital assets directly on exchanges for convenience, while others choose external cryptocurrency wallets for additional control. Asterisk software wallets asterisk provide quick access for everyday use, while asterisk hardware wallets asterisk store private keys offline and are often used for long-term storage because they reduce exposure to certain online threats. The most suitable storage method depends on each user's individual needs and risk preferences. Cryptocurrency prices can change rapidly. Factors such as global economic conditions, market demand, technological developments, investor sentiment, and regulatory announcements may all influence price movements. Because of this volatility, cryptocurrency investments may experience significant gains or losses over short periods. Risk management is an important part of responsible investing. Investors should avoid making decisions based solely on emotions, internet rumors, or short-term market excitement. Establishing clear financial goals, understanding personal risk tolerance, and conducting independent research before investing may help support more informed decision-making. Fraud prevention is equally important. Scammers may create fake Binance websites, fraudulent mobile applications, phishing emails, or impersonate customer support representatives. Users should always verify website addresses, download applications only from official sources, and access customer support through verified communication channels. Before trading, users should understand transaction fees, withdrawal fees, network fees, and exchange policies. Reviewing these costs in advance helps avoid unexpected expenses and allows users to better evaluate the overall cost of cryptocurrency transactions. Cryptocurrency regulations continue to evolve around the world. Some countries permit cryptocurrency trading under established regulatory frameworks, while others impose restrictions or licensing requirements. Users are responsible for understanding the laws, reporting obligations, and tax requirements that apply in their own jurisdiction before participating in cryptocurrency markets. Education remains one of the strongest tools for reducing financial risk. Learning about blockchain technology, cryptocurrency security, digital wallets, market volatility, and financial planning helps users navigate the digital asset ecosystem more responsibly. Continuous learning becomes increasingly valuable as blockchain technology and digital finance continue to develop. Binance has contributed to the growth of the cryptocurrency industry by providing access to digital asset markets and blockchain-related services where available. However, every investment carries risk, and no platform or financial product can guarantee profits or eliminate market uncertainty. Responsible participation always begins with knowledge, careful planning, and sound financial decision-making. Thank you for watching this educational series on Binance. We explored how the platform works, cryptocurrency trading, blockchain technology, security practices, wallet protection, investment risks, regulations, and responsible digital asset management. We hope this information helps you better understand cryptocurrency exchanges and modern financial technology. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, tax, legal, or cybersecurity advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and digital asset investments involve significant risk, including the possible loss of capital. Platform features and regulations vary by country. Always conduct